Hello! In this Access tutorial, I am going to explain how to add a record to a table. I already have an Access database open. Data is always changing, therefore you are probably going to have to add data to a database. In this example, we have a new publisher that needs to be added to our publishers table. To add a new record, we are going to open the table that we need to add data to in the datasheet view by double-clicking it on the navigation pane. So we need to add to publishers, so we're going to double-click on publishers. If you're unsure if it's in the datasheet view, if this is your first time using Access, then you can right-click on the Data tab and ensure that Datasheet view is selected. Then on the Home tab, in the Records group, we are going to click on New. From here, we begin filling the information, because once we clicked on New, it automatically put our cursor in the first cell under the field Publisher ID. The asterisk shows us, it's known as the asterisk record indicator, and it tells you which record you have selected. Once we begin typing in information, it's going to change to a pencil, which indicates that we're in the editing mode. So for Publish ID, for this new publisher, we're going to type SS. As you see, it changed to a pencil. This means that we're currently editing that record. Once you complete one field, you're going to press Tab to move to the following field, and then we're going to continue to enter data. We're going to repeat the same process of tabbing through the cells under the different field names to enter all the information for this record. You can move to another record by clicking in that box, or even by tabbing once you get to the end of that record. Once we move from one record to another, Access is going to automatically save the changes that we type in or that we created. So once we moved out of this record, Access automatically saves it, and you can check it to make sure by exiting out of the table and reopening it. And as you see, the last record we put in here is still in the table. And that is how you add a record to a table in Access.